Good morning, friends. How is everyone? Look at them. Super nice out right now. And this weekend we had our local fair and it was just amazing. Amazing weather, but I think it was a record-breaking weekend for them. So yeah, so that's why I haven't dropped too many videos. But yeah, take a look at that waterfall. So I'm going to be taking out this grass and the elderberries. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but I'm gonna do it soon. But here, how about this? Everyone loves watching these guys eat. And I caught one little baby goldfish, which means that they're breeding, or they have bred. Oh, there they are. Look at that. Oh, so awesome. The sun is just like, it's so great. Yeah, so they have been breeding. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he doesn't come out much. He's a butterfly koi. Look at those goldfish, though. I gotta catch those goldfish. So I'm actually getting some more koi free from this one person. That's gonna be on Wednesday. It's Monday right now. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking that stuff out there of the bog, and hopefully that's just gonna help the whole system, at least for a bit. And then I'm gonna add some aqua blocks. I don't think I'm gonna do it right away, but yeah. So this is where all the babies hang out, right here. Like you gotta come. Like right now we're about 10 o'clock in the morning, and you gotta come here at this time. This is when you can see all the little things in the shallow end. And like I caught one baby guy, but I don't see nothing. It's pretty clear right now, so I don't know. Can't see anything. Look at these flowers. Look at that. They're gorgeous. Gorgeous. Nothing here. Check out the waterfall. Oh, I said I was gonna turn it off come the winter, but part of me just wants to keep it going and just see what happens. But it could. So what happens when it's snow, or when it gets really cold and then it snows? It'll form ice, and the ice could make the water go out of the pond, which would not be good. So it's like a catch-22. Yeah, these flowers all of a sudden really took off. Here's some more. So yeah, it'll be exciting to see what happens with the bog, and hopefully going forward we'll just be able to see the bottom, right to the bottom all time. But just taking some of the plants out, that's gonna help it. I'm gonna take out the roots. The roots are probably all the way down, so, and then stuff can just get caught in there, just like it did last year is clear. So, and of course I started this channel this year, so you guys haven't really seen it super clear. It was always clear all the time. So But yeah, it's looking great. Here, let's go look up here. We got our rose bushes here. That's doing really nice. Look at the mums. Oh, it's doing super good. All the insects and bees are there. They're loving this thing. Wow, it's huge. Oh, there's a froggy. And, Mr. Froggy. This thing's going crazy. This thing's nuts. Super happy about it. Even that one's nice, but like the green is just like wow. And yeah, actually, it's really like look at this elephant here. It's huge. Like that's my hand. Like the leaves are just enormous. Even this one, like it was really small when I got it. Oh, look, there's a geyser. That's what happens. That's what's been happening. So that's not good. But, you know, I'm gonna take it out. And like I had this monstera or whatever you call it. And like even this palm, like I kept this in last year. I'm gonna try and pull it all up. If I could pull this whole chunk out, that'd be amazing. But like this elephant ear's got these little babies, tons of babies actually. So I'm super stoked about that. Maybe I can keep a whole bunch of them next year. Yeah. Like all this stuff is everywhere. I've been just spreading the seed. Part of me might regret that in the future, but hey. And like the tropicals trying to like bloom again, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, see, I just stepped on it and a bit of residue came down from the bog. That's definitely a different view over here though. And the sun made the waterfall here kind of jump, which is kind of cool. But like the tropical really wants to keep on blooming. Like if you look, there's a ton of flowers. All of them actually want to bloom. Oh, look at them go. This guy here has all of a sudden got like, oh, where is he? Some orange on them. Yeah, they color morph. Look at them all there. Loving it. The warmth has really woken them up a bit. And a lot of them have grown quite a bit this year. Again, keep on growing. Wow. Look amazing though. Alright, well, as you guys know, like, subscribe, share this if you can. All the help is appreciated. We're over 800 subscribers now. And just watch this. You know, watch the whole thing. So if you're still watching now, well, thank you. And, you know, I completely appreciate it. So, here, let's give you guys one more feed. One more. Just as a thank you. Let's see what happens here. Oh, there you go. I love the sunshine. Love it. Yeah. So again, please subscribe. Please, please, please. All the support is 100% appreciated. So appreciated. So thank you so much. You guys have a fantastic day.